Dear students, our today's topic is simple interest and compound interest. In the terms simple interest and compound interest, we are using some of the terms like principal, rate, time. So, what are these things? We will start from here. So, first, your chapter name is simple interest. Start from the simple interest only. We will start from the simple interest. So, simple interest is the amount which we are paying above the repayment of the actual amount. We are paying an extra amount to the lender, so that extra amount which we are paying after repayment of the actual amount is called interest. And simple interest we are calculating with the formula principal into rate into time upon 100, where P is in short we are also writing SI equal P RT upon 100, where P equal principal, R equal rate, T equal time, and 100 is a number which we are calculating in this formula. So principal is the money which is borrowed from the bank or any person. This is the actual amount which we are borrowing. And time is the time period for which the money is borrowed. Means we are borrowing money for a specific time. So that time is, and rate is the rate at which interest is calculated. Rate of interest is the rate at which interest is calculated. And simple interest already I have defined. So after that, after paying the extra amount, that amount we are calculating with the sum of the money which we have borrowed, means principal amount plus interest. So if we will add principal amount and simple interest, so we will get amount after 1 year. So after adding, as we have already written the value of SI equal PRT upon 100, so we will substitute the value of this simple interest in this formula. So A equal P plus PRT upon 100 we will get. And now P we will take as common. So we will get A equal P into 1 plus RT upon 100. 1 plus RT upon 100. And some other terms which we are calculating in formula is P equal SI into 100 upon R into T. Second is R equal SI into 100 upon P into T. Third is T equal SI into 100 upon P into R. So for calculating the value of principal we will use this formula. For calculating the value of rate we will use this formula. And to calculate the value of time we will use this formula. Now let's go through with some of the examples of simple interest. Here the question is, what will be the simple interest for 1 year 4 months on a sum of 25,800 at the rate of 4% per annum? So here this amount is the principal amount for whole year which we will use. So principal amount equal 2,500 rupees. Rate is 14% per annum, so we will write R equal 14% per annum, and time is given 1 year 4 months. So as you know, interest we are calculating yearly, so we will change this time into year. So 1 year equal 12 months plus 4 months will be 16 months, and to change 16 months we will to change 16 month into year we will divide it by 12. So we will get 4 by 3 years. Then after we will write formula SI equal PRT upon 100. And after that we have to put all the values in the formula. So SI will be P equal 25,800, R equal 14%, and T equal 4 by 3. After that we have to write 100. Now we will cancel 2 zeros with 2 zeros, and we have to divide this number by 3. So we will get 3 8s are 24, 1 is left, so 1 we will put here, it will be 18. So 3 6 are 18. Now we will get 86 into 14 4s are 56. Then after we have to multiply 86 into 15. So we will multiply and we will get 4,816 rupees. So this will be simple interest on 25,800 rupees at the rate of 14%. This will be the answer.